In 13th session of the Fluent Meshing course, we will explain about mesh verification and export procedures. In this section, we explain several details after generating the mesh. The first and important step is checking the number of cells. This is essential because we need to know whether our system can handle the number of cells generated. After that, we discuss how to check the mesh quality. We have already explained mesh quality in Section 2, and now we will show how to view these quality metrics in ANSYS Fluent Meshing. Finally, we describe how to export the mesh and import it into Fluent. First, to check the number of cells. We created the geometry and space claim and imported it into Fluent Meshing, then successfully generated the volume mesh. To see the number of cells, go to the Report tab, click on Mesh Size, and then click Update. Here you can see the number of cells, number of faces, nodes at boundaries, and the number of nodes and faces at the interior. Next, we want to check the mesh quality. To do this, select the Mesh tab and click Check Quality. The software will display two main quality metrics in the console: minimum orthogonal quality and maximum aspect ratio. If you want to see other mesh quality metrics, go to Report Cell Limits. And in the Quality Measure section, choose any metric you want. For example, if you select skewness, click Update, select the cell zone, and click Compute. You will then see the minimum, maximum, and average skewness values. The more optimal, meaning lower skewness values, are especially important for mesh performance. Now we will explain how to export the mesh from Fluent Meshing. Go to the File tab, choose Export, and click Mesh. Select the folder where you want to export the mesh. Enter the mesh file name and click Save. The software will export a .msh file. Alternatively, you can export a .cas file by going to File, Export, CAS, and clicking OK. This will save the mesh as a .cas file. To read this mesh or case file in Fluent Meshing, launch Fluent Meshing, go to the File tab and click Read. Here, you can choose Read Mesh or Read Case. Select your .msh file and open it. If you want to switch from meshing mode to solver mode in Fluent, click Switch to Solution, and Fluent will open with the mesh loaded.
I hope this video is helpful for you. To benefit from Mr. CFD's services, including simulation, consultation, and training, visit our website, www.mester-cfd.com. Contact us via info@signmester-cfd.com.